how do you calculate the volume of a swimming pool? Well, that's actually pretty easy. What you need to do is you would take the length times the width times the average depth times 7.5. And that's going to give you the answer in gallons. So that's, really easy when you have a 20 by 40 swimming pool. Well, 20 by 40, and maybe it's one depth all the way across. Wouldn't that be convenient for calculations? But it's not. It's more like you have, a 3.5 foot shallow end, and that's like 12 feet long. And then you've got a long slope and then a deep end pad that's 9.5 feet deep, something like that. The way that you approach it is you kind of just think of the side profile shot of the pool, and you think, well, it's 9 feet deep in the shallow end, and it's 6 feet deep, it's 9 feet deep in the deep end, and 6 feet deep or on the slope, and it's 3 feet deep in the shallow end. And, well, basically what you do is you just kind of add that all up, and then you take the average of it. And if I had a 9 foot deep end and a 3 foot shallow end, I'd probably just call that about 6 feet average depth. So you would do the length in the feet times the width in feet times the depth in feet times 7.5, and that gives you the gallons of your swimming pool, the volume of your pool in gallons. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.